Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we all love, burgers. Whether you like them classic, loaded with toppings, or plant-based, burgers have become a global comfort food. But have you ever wondered where they actually came from? Let's dig in. Our journey begins not in America, but in Mongolia, with Genghis Khan's warriors in the 13th century. These fierce horsemen needed food they could eat while riding, so they carried minced meat under their saddles to tenderize it. Fast forward to the 18th century, German sailors brought a similar idea to Europe, which eventually became known as Hamburg steak, a seasoned ground beef patty. By the late 1800s, German immigrants brought Hamburg steak to the United States. But here's where things get juicy. How did that patty end up between two buns? Several people claim to have invented the hamburger as we know it. One story points to Louis Lasson from Connecticut, who reportedly served the first hamburger in 1900 to a customer in need of a quick, portable meal. Another tale credits Charlie Negreen from Wisconsin, who in 1885 flattened a meatball and put it between bread so people could eat while walking around a fair. No matter who truly invented it, the concept caught on quickly. By the 1920s, White Castle opened, becoming the first fast food chain to mass-produce burgers. They focused on cleanliness and consistency, which helped change public perception about ground beef safety at the time. Then, in 1948, the McDonald brothers revolutionized the burger scene with their speedy service system. Yes, the beginning of what would become the global giant we know today. Burgers didn't just stay a fast food staple, though. Over the decades, gourmet versions appeared, with high-quality ingredients and creative toppings. And now, we've entered the era of plant-based burgers that look and taste like the real thing, catering to both environmental concerns and dietary preferences. But the story doesn't stop there. As burgers spread across the world, each country began adding its own twist, creating a global tapestry of flavors that go far beyond the classic beef patty with lettuce and tomato. In Japan, for instance, you'll find rice burgers, where sticky rice patties replace the bread buns, filled with teriyaki chicken or seafood. In India, where many people don't eat beef for religious reasons, the aloo tikki burger made with spiced potato patties has become incredibly popular. Australia throws a curveball by adding beetroot to their burgers, while in Mexico, burgers often come loaded with jalapenos and spicy sauces for that extra kick. It's amazing how one simple concept, a piece of meat or now plant-based alternatives between two slices of bread, has evolved to reflect so many different cultures, tastes, and traditions. And let's not forget how technology and food science have played a role. With the rise of plant-based innovations like the Impossible Burger and Beyond Meat, scientists are recreating the flavor and texture of beef without using animals, addressing concerns about sustainability and the environment. Fast food giants have jumped on board, offering these meatless options alongside their classic offerings, showing just how much the burger has adapted to modern times. Even the presentation of burgers has reached new heights. Gourmet restaurants now serve towering creations with artisanal buns, aged cheeses, truffle aioli, and exotic toppings like foie gras or gold leaf. Yes, some people really eat burgers sprinkled with gold. Meanwhile, food trucks and local joints continue to push boundaries with wild combinations like donut buns, mac and cheese patties, or spicy ghost pepper sauces that challenge even the bravest eaters. Burgers have become more than just food, they're a symbol of creativity, culture, and even competition. Think about the countless burger eating contests, burger festivals, and social media trends where people showcase the biggest, messiest, or most beautifully crafted burgers. It's a worldwide obsession that doesn't seem to be slowing down. And what's truly fascinating is how the burger has not just remained a popular food item but has evolved into a cultural icon, shaping economies, influencing pop culture, and even playing a role in politics and global diplomacy. Think about how often burgers appear in movies, TV shows, and advertisements, always symbolizing comfort, indulgence, and the essence of casual dining. From backyard barbecues to late-night diner stops, burgers are deeply woven into our memories and experiences. They're at birthday parties, weekend cookouts, road trips, and quick lunch breaks, serving as a common thread that brings people together regardless of background or location. On a global scale, major fast food chains like McDonald's, Burger King, and Wendy's have become powerful symbols of globalization, with their iconic golden arches and flame-grilled slogans recognized in nearly every corner of the world. These companies didn't just sell food, they exported a piece of American culture, adapting menus to local tastes while maintaining their signature offerings. In France, you might find a burger with camembert cheese. In Thailand, you'll spot spicy chicken burgers with regional flavors. And in the Middle East, many locations offer halal-certified beef or lamb options to cater to local dietary preferences. This blend of global consistency and local customization is part of what makes the burger so universally beloved. But beyond the convenience and familiarity lies an ongoing culinary revolution. Chefs around the world are constantly reinventing the burger, turning it into a canvas for creativity and innovation. Picture a burger infused with flavors of Korean barbecue, topped with kimchi and gochujang mayo, or a Mediterranean-inspired version layered with feta cheese, roasted peppers, and tzatziki sauce. Plant-based innovations continue to advance, with companies experimenting with mushroom-based patties, lentil blends, and even lab-grown meat designed to replicate the texture and flavor of traditional beef with a fraction of the environmental impact. This movement is not just about offering alternatives, it's about rethinking what a burger can be and how it fits into a more sustainable future. The economics of burgers are just as compelling. The fast food industry, with burgers at its core, is worth hundreds of billions of dollars, employing millions of people worldwide. Burgers have driven advancements in supply chains, marketing strategies, and even technology, with automated kitchens and AI-driven order systems becoming increasingly common. And let's not overlook the competitive nature of the industry. Rivalries between burger chains have led to some of the most memorable marketing campaigns ever, sparking debates over which chain reigns supreme. Whether it's the simplicity of an In-N-Out cheeseburger, the customization at Five Guys, or the bold flavors of international burger joints, everyone seems to have a passionate opinion. Even more intriguing is the burger's role as a mirror to societal trends. As health consciousness has grown, so too have the options for leaner meats, gluten-free buns, and calorie-conscious alternatives. Organic and locally sourced ingredients are now standard at many burger spots, reflecting a shift toward transparency and quality. Environmental awareness has also prompted conversations about sustainable farming, packaging, and carbon footprints, making that simple burger a surprisingly complex choice. With global implications. And who can forget the social media explosion that's turned burgers into viral sensations? Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are flooded with mouthwatering visuals of towering burgers oozing with cheese, perfectly crisp bacon, and creatively layered toppings. Some restaurants have even built their entire business models around creating Instagrammable burgers designed to capture attention online and draw crowds in person. Burgers have become not just a meal but an experience, something to be shared, celebrated, and savored. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay hungry and take care.